type of fuel we use in any combustion engine leaves carbon residue as a natural byproduct, which gradually sticks to internal engine parts and causes carbon to build up over time. This leads to the engine parts becoming inefficient and wearing out more quickly than if they are kept clean and free from carbon buildup. Our Engine Carbon Clean service uses simple tap water to create pure hydrogen and pure oxygen, which are then channeled through the air intake, using the engine's own vacuum to draw the gas past various components, such as the valves, injectors, as well as the hot and cold sides of the turbo, helping to remove the carbon deposits as it travels through the engine and out via the exhaust as a gas. Taking away the carbon allows the engine to breathe more easily, restoring power and performance, lowering emissions and revitalizing fuel efficiency. It's all about getting back what you've lost over time. The service takes around 30 minutes and is suitable for any petrol, diesel or LPG engine, from lawnmowers, cars and trucks to farm machinery, boats.